Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend, the dancer. Walk on peeps to back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell if you don't miss out. Alright guys, so welcome back. This is the first video when me use as the intro. When you see Drake a touching another guy. I just a show on straight up, so Drake no straight. Drake champagne popping no straight. You see me? And big man thing him release a song and freestyle way. Them claim say him a try for this Mavado. Our culture people. Me I gonna make you know straight Drake. Me not frightened for you. No day. So me a expose you today. You see me Drake, you shaky. You and Popcorn apart. You hug up Popcorn on stage and I whisper in the dog ears and the dog push you off. Cause the dog no like that he allowed up him life. You see me, but big man thing, man, me couldn't know say Popcorn and him not right. Some of other posts from you look close to you a copper to your mouth. You see me, people. Reason being him say that because him see the trick, you see it what them a come with. You see me? You know when Alkaline would say you see the plot, the dog see the plot, and the dog in that say make a man know straight say. From you look close a copper shot to your mouth, so the badness come down. Cause God don't have time for internet chasing and them something. But me as a vlogger now, I see CMR set so and review it what go on. So I take my time and get the information them right and put them together. So it's like a dog at this Mavado in one song I say. We go link the Gaza and then him say not that Gaza where people would know the other Gaza. Something about cassava look peace and this and that. You see me? So a man get Mavado involved this car normally would have been Gaza and Gully. But he must say cassava can't get no peace and a style man. You know him song like him know nothing about Jamaica. They might frighten the fear no Drake, but let me tell you this. Me not frightened for no. For the time una sell una souls, una freak out and do one bag of thing for they in a position where una in a. And we know this. So here I go on people, me I show you some clippings. Just stick around for me there and take in this what me about for sure now. And observe what me I say.
Yeah. Who this? Chubby? Hey, who that? Bayesian youth?
Bayesian boy from Black Rock.
England.
Bayesian boy from Black Rock.
Boy eating flying fish. Why boy?
Why?
Hey Gucci Fendi.
Big man thing guys. I really want to say yo, me a promote this our bad vibes. You get my dog. And guys, you see me a Jamaican. We have to spread the truth. You see me, the truth I gotta be the truth. And a Popcorn, Drake and the next nigga when that important that right this so. And this are recent like yesterday. On a vacation cause I'm baby that when you're looking at see not one side a girl with the girl them on the top man. You see me? If I even forget few cheerleader, cause we know the wagon is thing when you have your money and you're in a spot like girl, and I don't forget around and you see me. Yeah. But big man thing, I don't know where Drake find the strength to put that in him song and feel like say, yeah, I get a support from. No, my charge, you're not getting a forward from that. And for all who don't understand and know what I go on this, so good, because we don't know not hurt you. But man like me, when I see that, I have to come talk about it. You feel like you can style God, move out the gully, God. I man, I see through life like never before, man. You see me? So anyways, people, Mavado is an artist known for him hard work, you see me? The PR from Jamaica, but now make them boy they come feel like them can style the thing. But anyways, guys, we are going to watch the flick and see what I go on. Because I come blog some more things, you know. I do more research and things, you see me? But my father, them can't style you. Remember that. You see me? Remember that, yeah. You're depend, it's like you're depend this mountain dog. You see me? Big man thing, my father. Look up to you and me if you say, yo, look on the type of song them where you do dog. Alright now, yesterday me I tell a dog, say, yo, none of them not big like you. No matter what them want, they in front of TV, in a spotlight and them, some of them got silent, but they're dangerous. Remember that. Who agree, like, comment, share at the end of the video. This bless upon yourself.